Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're looking to have a good night's sleep and to breathe easy, then check out these Vicks VapoPads. What's really cool about these little essential oil pads is that they're all individually wrapped in their little packets, so while they're being stored, you smell nothing, and then as soon as you rip it open, oh, it smells so good. Sometimes if I'm feeling sick, like probably tonight, I'll use one of these. Or sometimes if I just want to have a really good night's sleep, I'll pop one of these in and it makes my room smell like it is a spa. It makes the room smell amazing because it has that lavender smell. And lavender, of course, helps you sleep. And then it has all the good Vicks in there, and then it just, everything about it is so good. It's really easy to install. You know that this will work if you have a Vicks humidifier, and it has a little door where these pop right open and go right in. It says it lasts for 8 hours, and honestly, even the next day, it still smells really good. The intensity of the smell does diminish after 8 hours, so put it in before bed and it will smell really good throughout the night. And then the next day, I still smell it, and who doesn't love a good lavender smell in their room? So they're really good. Looking for nights of comfort and your room to smell good and to just be able to breathe and go to sleep, well, check out these Vicks VapoPads for sleeping. The lavender scent, it's really good. You get so many of them so that you can store them and keep them for later anytime you need that good comfort sleep. And that's my point of view.